y'all. Showed y'all both.
Warren
Showed y'all both
Street
sides.
at Moreland
You
Street.
seen it? We back at Roxbury. Like I told you, that's one Gardens. And if you remember right there, that's right there where Blue Ave was made. Those blue buildings. Warren Gardens, like I said, going up.
Usage Avenue, Roxbury District Courthouse.
Heard them. Roxbury. He's flying early, man. I'm sure.
Union Station, Silver Line and bus connection.
I see.
For your safety, please use the crosswalks.
The land is all this stuff is historical shit. Ziegler, or they ain't got no sign on Ziegler Street except for the camera. They go Ziegler Street for my nigga, which nigga was this on? Back down in Dudley. That was Ziegler Street for my man, I don't want to act so crazy. Yeah, it couldn't stick to me, but for Mel Cross, that was Ziegler Street over there. This is what you remember, this is Dudley. I know you don't really be watching me, but he know what's up. This is down Dudley, OP. Like I said, down here is OP, where Bobby Brown knew what this is from. I just didn't go on that side because that ain't where the bus. But another time when I go on that way, I'll show y'all OP. I'll go in there. This is not the same anyway. But I wanted to show Ziegler Street because of me.
Malcolm X
Mel Cross.
Boulevard at Sherman Avenue.
About Ziegler.